Hi, second graders. Welcome back to another week of online learning. This week we are going to talk about creating a blog. A blog is made up of the words web and log because it's a place on the web where you post information about your life or things that are happening. So for example, in this one, Hagen's World of Awesome, Hagen, who's this boy here, decided to post about a trip to Alaska. A blog always puts things in reverse order. So here's a picture of him right now, at this date, telling his classmates about his trip. And if I scroll down his blog, there I can see his actual trip, which happened before. So the newest things are always on top in a blog. So here, this actually shows me his trip to Alaska. It looks like it was cold. Two important things to know about for creating a blog. First of all, you don't want to put personal information on there, just like we've talked about before. And unless you're at least 13, you've got to have an adult who works on your blog with you. So when he created this blog, Hagen was, he was 7. He was pretty young. So he and his mom actually created the blog together. Seesaw has got a different kind of blog built into it. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Seesaw. And the nice thing with the Seesaw blog is it's private unless we share out the link and the password to our families in our class. So right now, the only way anyone can see this is if they're logged into our Seesaw account. You may not have noticed this little globe over here that says blog. I just added that feature to our second grade class so that we can create a blog. First thing I thought it would be fun to put in there is the animal posters that some kids have already turned in. I thought those would be a great example of our work. So here, I know the students got a great poster, so I'm going to start there. I'm in the journal, and then I clicked on his name in order to get to his journal. Here, I can now see on the left side of my screen, if I scroll down, the different things in his journal. Wow, look at that cardboard creation. That looks awesome. Right now, what I'm looking for is his poster. It looks like he chose to do a dolphin, so he finished his research project. Great job. And then here is his poster. Notice he's got the title of the poster. He's got at least 3 facts on the poster. I don't see his name and his class code, but he can go back and he can always add those. So to add this to his blog, here's what he would do. He would go down here and notice how the blog button is right here, that same globe that's over here. I'm just going to go ahead and click on that globe. When I do that, it asks if we want to publish the item. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and publish it. And because I'm the teacher, it'll immediately publish. For you, it'll actually send it to me and ask me to publish it to the blog, just to make sure that it's something we want to share. My computer's kind of slow, but it did go ahead and send it to the blog. Now, when anyone in our class goes and clicks over on blog, and actually anybody in second grade clicks on blog, here's what they're going to see. They're going to see a log or a list of all the different projects that second graders have put in here. What I really like about this is a safe way that we can share examples of our work. So you can all see exactly what he did for his poster and get ideas for your own poster. This week, what I would like you to do is I'd like you to try blogging. So I would like you to go in your folder. Remember to click on the little globe underneath your animal poster when it's done, and that will send it to me so that I can publish it here to our blog. I would also like you to look for one other item in your folder that's a good example of something that you've created. So for his folder, I would probably, or in his journal, I'm going to go back to his journal. I would probably choose that really cool car that he made with the cardboard creation, and I would add that too. I don't want to do it for him because I want him to do it himself and make his own choice. But everybody in second grade, I would like you to go ahead, find your folder, click on your name, and then go ahead and add something by clicking on the blog button to our blog. I can't wait to see how many great items we get listed on it. This will be a fun way to share our work with each other. Good luck and have fun blogging.